What's the meaning of butterfingers? Butterfingers. Butterfingers.
Butterfingers. Butterfingers. The term butterfingers is often used to describe someone who frequently drops or fumbles objects, especially when it's vital to keep hold of them. It is derived from the fact that butter is slippery and difficult to handle, much like an object that slips out of one's grasp. The result of having butterfingers can be frustrating, embarrassing, and even dangerous at times, as it can lead to damaged property, injuries, or lost items. Those who suffer from butterfingers might find themselves the butt of jokes or feeling self-conscious about their clumsiness, but with time and practice, they can improve their hand-eye coordination and gain greater control over objects.